All right, here's a 300s off to Eden Prairie. Just kidding, guys. It's 2023 and the Green Line extension's not open yet. But if I were on that train, you would see that this train would go up to where this bridge is, off to Royalston Avenue Farmers Market Station. That's what would happen. But you see it's going back to St. Paul, which means that we're still, well, in the construction process. So it's heading back to St. Paul right here. Sorry for the disappointment, but that would be interesting if they did right now. I still can't wait for all of this to happen when it opens. See you guys soon.